Hello students, now we will discuss some exercises given in the textbook. Okay, let's see. The comprehension check, page number 14. See the first exercise. Here you have to complete the sentence with choosing the appropriate part given in the box. So let's see the first sentence. Many wise men answered the king's question. Now what should be the right part? Choose from the box. So it should be third one. But their answer was so varied that the king was not satisfied. Now see the second sentence. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. Now choose from the box to help the king at the right time. At the right time. Now see the third sentence. Someone else suggested that the king should have timetable. Now see in the box which should be the right part. Last second and follow it strictly. Okay, now see the fourth sentence. The king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. Okay, now fifth sentence. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. Okay, so this exercise you have to write down in your notebook. Now see the second exercise. It is the question answer you have to find out from your textbook. See the first one. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? For this answer you have to see the page number 8. See on page number 8. Okay, here comes page number 8. Now see second paragraph, third line. Okay, in order, so you can write from here. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magician. That is the answer of first question. Now see the second question. What is the second question? Okay, here in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? So for this answer you have to see the page number 8. Page number 8. So here comes page number 8 and see the third paragraph. In their answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said the priest, a few others chose the doctor, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. Okay, so this is the second answer. Now see the third question. Here comes third question. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? Okay, here you have to also see page number 8. Here comes page number 8. Paragraph number 4. Paragraph number 4. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet other religious worship is the most important business to do. So this is the answer of third question. Now see the fourth question. Did the wise man, see the fourth question. Did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? Did the wise man win the reward or not? No, wise man did not win reward. Wise man did not win reward. And if not, why not? So for this you have to see page number 8. Okay, see here, page number 8, last third paragraph. Okay, see. Okay, as the answer to his question were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no rewards. So this is the answer of fourth. So in this way you have to find out rest of the four answers, okay, and write down in your notebook. Now see the third exercise on page number 15. Okay, see the third exercise here. These four questions answer you have to find out yourself and write down in your notebook. Now see the next exercise. Here you have to match the column A with B. Here the new words are given, and in B part their meanings are given. You have to match the words with its meaning. Okay, now first word is wounded. What is the meaning of wounded? Severely injured. Yes, very good. Now see awoke. What is the meaning of awoke? Awoke is first got up from sleep. Okay, third one, forgive. What is the meaning of forgive? It's pardon. Very good. Now fourth, faithful. What is the meaning of faithful? Faithful means loyal. Okay. Now next word, pity. Pity means feel sorry. Next word, beds. Beds means small patches of ground for plants. Beds means small patches of ground for plants. Return. Return means give back. Okay, so now you have to use these new words into your own sentences. Okay, at first match the part A with B, then use these new words into your own sentence. For example, wounded. Let's use this word into a sentence. For example, whatever you wants to, કોઈ પણ સેન્ટેન્સની અંદર તમે એને યુઝ કરી શકો. ઓકે, યોર ઓન સેન્ટેન્સ, પોતાના સેન્ટેન્સમાં. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, wounded. I saw a wounded man in a forest. Okay, so wounded. Then awoke. She suddenly awokes. Okay, it is also right. Forgive. I never forgive you for whatever you done to me. Okay, so like this you have to write down your own sentence, use these new words into your own sentence. Okay, now this is all. We have to skip all this exercise. We have to do only 3 exercise from this text. Okay, till then, bye bye students, take care.